Mwancho murigereria Wensoko TV Jumatano ya kabera somo tionyoiga obotko bwa 10 mutenyino yo kianda mwaka no wechiri bubere 25 no gwasaba kwaninga gwatwareri tukorigiya abego kwegokire ne 20 yagenderera sembeo Wensoko TV kurubwaga kiete kwikira chinga kechiga ense yamo kurwasobo gatagati bo mucho Nairobi bono toko kwarigania semesa yama yakuru Wensoko ense yama senchira yobo ikira no tosange a senchira yobo ikira no nchenkoro kwa Clinton Ondigi
na nchenkoro kwa Kerubo Fridah mwanchi umurigeria na gwasemira kwana ngalitko liago liabeire litoera rukegima ekiagerangani gotoko kwarigania asemesa ya mangana majya tokomanye naraya bariki baito ba mangana majya babere bagotwariganiria kurubwaga kieteke mambi oikera abono magorobo mwanchi umuri karansa oike elinde tokomanye asenchira iyo boikerano inyora nabogo sangana into gweteraga se mitandao ensemo ya Facebook Ensoko TV naboga sensemeri ya YouTube Ensoko TV
nabego mwancho murigeria buna botambe kererituko rie Jumatano Fridah ntochiko sanga sensemo yeringana RI'EKEMOYA kurigia kumanya mangana ao yeke gusina boigo chingenjo chia ya se Jumatano iga turachiko kwandra amarieta abere ugosaboka nugo seboka
na omwanchi murigeria twabire tugusanganere ebirengereri byaye atumanye enyencho ya marietayo nayo mwanchi murigeria togokwari bagaria bene otumanye gwetera ujumbenke ikagaria se mitandao gwesa sina mbiye gwetaga bwa se screen yago
asense meyo ya kabire togochigosoro edwini nyangagundo je oyariganira senchira ya bene tuchigosanganera atumanyire nda marieta iga ogoseboka na boigo ogoseboka naki ase ekegusi kransoike Obe na into RI'EKEMOYA.
Mwanchi umurigereria togo kwarigane bene ilinde tosanga sobwa mo gochaka bona iga goika omoelio emesa ya mangana mayani gotoko ya chaka kuruga rise bunge ya South Mugrange County ya Kisii asingo kumenya bana nigo musubati yo mabere kagweso kya nabo igo kubolia obokonyi maiga yo mugakoye gwikira na sensemeri ya Dubai aso mwaka gwechiri bubere 2023 nabo igo konarigwa na maliogo yogotindia ya mateyo nigo yarure ekirero kyabo asibabire bakwera buna nigo babete bakonya kiregento ilinde kwenekia mugakoyo obere kagwikirana ase chinsemo chiria Musubati
Lilian nigae sokire na kuruko boria gochia se serikali hanne mone byombe biri bikubwatanirwa na mangana iga chinse chisko koene kya una nko mokonya bare mugako yanyara kubaga koira nanka iri babwaterane gokinia ya mate yabo muri kitu Wilkilfore nge nabwateriria robot rwa senchero yoboikirano abono gotumanya
nje no mongina we Evans Nyasini oyo bwaterega ali Dubai asengenje yo gotegekana no mabuka Evans iga chete chalinge umutinyo kominamo abante imokoyoye naroro okoira abantu Dubai Evans iga chagete sabari yo kotaka kwenda Dubai gande kiombe tukaimo kichibesa tukamutomera kara twatuma chibesa chiri agatetomere visa etalinge yo bumaene chitaliki emeronge vere naisano umutinyo saba Evans naye gwe bikoroto no mwana omukoyo yo mwete namba yoli oligo chikumira Katari mwana yakolo ku Kevin ebamenyetega gadara chamamu mwaba gako ani bibanda galige ebintu biri bigechibuka kunde bikoroto birime ekere kago chakuline ndega kogenda byakundire so Evans akaline ndege akagenda ogo ikaga ali Dubai akabwatu akabekume ya Kenya bono gakiaba Kenya bambi ena onetikiregento inkobesa tachibesa chiabande amboni gabanyene bakonya kongakira chisimi batete gocha gusakora ebintu ko nyumba agayiga sengenjonga nasinyo gwakana madeni
Kinega korwa kiogo ichania kegima. Ekero konyora nga omonta kwenda sichinse chiri chesko ochikwerigeria enibo. Omenya konyora ngobere gakobwateranigwa na mangana bwateraniti amariogo yogotinda igotoko buli mwanchu murigeria obe maiso ekero kogenda chinse chiri chesko.
Baba kwenda kibuna nko baba semereria senchire ngia sencha bange. Eba kwenda kiaiga so gotenyora bono libo lindiringa ngakia mariogo yagochato kabare are na barobo.
Igakero monto yariganeti kwenda kurigia enibo isiko gari nere bya kwaba gukurigererirwa nga muzigo kiolyo koegwa ekero gwachira sechinse chiri cheisiko akurende kero togosika mosio na kurigereria engane ndo mwanchu murigereria ni goto kumenya nga nigaba wakili babere bagwesokia bene nabo igoko gikeria egakorwa egikyabete kegokorekana abo litko leigoro mega yo mwate bogetyo yomo koraswa guika ogokwa
mwakili uyu wesoke na gukwana na barikia mangana isiko ya magacho yikegambere kenene kya kisiri tukoria rero nigo hamochirie serikali nabo iga sectoria yoborendi hasogotana kya gutinyo borendi ase chinsemo hasebona atebireka korekyo kenyara ko bage kurigererwa soboime na bonsi bari barache kobekwa biara baimukeriwe getambo keregetindi kerichiko
igoro marogoba omu advocate omoriki nando mwalimu bwe wa mangana ya gesheria omu advocate Matthew Chalombobu na agetwa masasi na goitwa ase egetongoji kia Karen ase Southern Bypass ekero akoendie gari yaye ogoitu kwaye kwegoro marogoba nabo gwa deteto ogoichano konene ase ntwa ba advocate na bananchi ba Kenya ase gekagie etirege sinini kiabere buna Nairobi tebwati oborendi boisaini na ibono ya adiri shirose ya rekanire asogo ituko mu advocate yoyo we miaka menge okorire gasi yo boteneneri okorire gasi yoko ya mangana yeri chiko nege katiba oitwa kiholela asichinza chamagaso igage to masasi ekera ko ndie gari yaye asichinze chwe kamba kabona iga serikali teracha ose ebitengo bya uchunguzi ose ebitengo bya usalama mbira acha gototebina montonde bwansi obwatu osonde bwansi okageirwe oyo bwente ko barubuna nere uskanete na ogoita kwa mbobo chalo asebona gotokoboria na ayago tebo osarrekana ogoito osonyanyora majira asinge chobo gaidi wa mente kandira somo cho Nairobi ne chinsa mo chindi chinsa yake
Tuguskabosio mwanchu murigereria hasi county ya Nyamira ni gobono mwaziri otendrete obochenu Dr. Ronald Mogoi haesokire na komochigati yabara yabako koboko serikali au baruete okomochia gochia serikali yo hanemono mu governor bwe county yaso gutabeka emeruberio emia yoko ene kiabune sector yobochenu nkwimukirerigwere igoro
Aniga negative chingaki egati yabara yao babete bagwikirana ase county ya Nyamira na kweneke mnani go mugavana Amos Nyaribo atarabaga kuya chimashi kurendo mwasirio yo nigo atuguteirare engane yo na kweneke mnani ge serikali ya county ya Nyamira yabikire merobili mikirano asogo kinya sector yobochenu
bano inoga Nyamira motebi ati gasoli abantu bachandikire kweli twagenda gari odwale tukanyora chimashini atigareti gari Nyamira chimashini tekere ko rusuku serikali ene tekere ko tanga Nyamira chimashini 180 egento ketekere no gusaini gweka wangira gocha gusaini for 1 year abantu bachandire teganya bitariga
Agende. Insiasa. Ke insiasa. Ikiagera sitoriboniga. Gore amangana each machine chire Nairobi. County government itugwetera somo governor ito na saineti intergovernmental participatory agreement yogo participate as amangana a national equipment service program NESP. Na NESP igerenga equipment iritoganete nintutokonye saba. Talinge chiga karasi kete chibekire esto chiganyete munda ndaje kwimuki ito uchisaba karwa sabire equipment iyo eretu asinyamira igo chirituraga ninto sabe
bake karwa ngete unya mruto genda bo chimashini chyo konya abantu aba bamedoga kibanya moya chimashini yetinko bawasa chira sesto
CT scan gosenge x-ray gosenge inkerga kari Nairobi obisi ya muntu ke kanyete ngekirikire kya Nyamira uno bokora nando uno bolimo okene nkiringa kire county Kenya 47 counties 46 inji saineti intergovernmental participatory agreement mugabano ituna saineti ayo bagoteba nga agreement nere gatigari tasikete tara sainigu njetinya manyiti mangana kwa netukono igoro ya sha ase county to ya Nyamira sha ngokorere guchaka chi dispensary chito chi health center chito mpaka nyegitari chito chinene na mpaka se rifaro hito ya Nyamira County Referral Hospital ati se chi dispensary ne chi health center wasu chiko runga level 2 na level 3 chiricha kwa ne retugoro abange baitonto manyitenga level 2 na 3 asense ito ya Kenya na anda asenene mono ase Nyamira County tiya na kobage gwakaniru besende onse koru 2013 mpaka boni ya level 2 na 3 gere free na level 2 na 3 sha ya chichago chikonya ikiagera ngabono ekero
ekiumbe gekorwania amariogo atancheiri na kada bakobwaterana n'abanyanyimbo kurase county ya Nyamira nigo bakoretara yabo goika ase ense mugose ase ward ya township chinga kibaba konaria marwa atancheiri yechiringi chi million 15 nemo
ukwana nabariki amang'ana nigo baenekeirie abamenyi be chinsemecho buno murobiri oyo nochiko bagokogendera ase chinsemo chonsimbe county ya Nyamira buno enjire moyo kwenekia marwa igatancheiri.
Of the merchandise here is being followed. We've been able to identify where the person is, and as the investigation go on, we'll extend this to her other establishments which are in town to make sure that this illicit contrabanded alcohol is taken away from the wananchi, because as you know very well, some of these drinks will cause deadly harm. I'd like to appeal to the public that if you know of anyone who's selling similar products, please get in touch with us. As Nakada, we have a toll-free number, 1192. It will be treated confidentially, and we will act. We have a team on the prowl that is close by, and we can deploy within less than an hour when we get the information. Thank you. Thank you very much. We've noted that from the boxes here, some of these manufacturers are not licensed.
Mwancho murigaria totikarita se county ya Nyamira nigo mugavana bwe county yo Amos Nyaribo ara humurobiri isiko ya magacho amanene ye serikali ye county yo kwenekia ogochaka ku muroberio w'imitandao ye kerero uyora che kwenekia kumurikirana kumungera imiroberio yonsi y'echindemero ase e county yo hanemono kwenekia nechikoga cha humubaro bw'echindemero kirase chinseme kino bego bo site bune nchiremo yogo chikokeania ebikora by'ubonga indredi.
Serikali ya county ya Nyamira nigo yabage kubwaterana n'ikiumbe gya FAO elinde gukinia obokoreri ase county yo anene mono ase amang'ana alengete chindemero nabo igo korengwa kwebirengo ao
lero iga otobwate abantu bakorwa asakoro kwa FAO Food and Drug Organization GIS lab. Yani bigo tokonya kumurika kirege ndumna kagenderete nabo kumurika keroka nabo kumurika ikonga oreji dukamna chitara akane bango chikumurike bintu bnebyo naibacha kwandova mbato netetie bintu bya 30 million bya very installed tate kobekwa byanza okolegasi igasa matuka makaye wiki ya mose ibele tata ikobekwa naboko nyora toko monta kilo monto wetera GIS lab na kike bacha batande ryoba to asainire na kire gento nande toko bakira biyamono ase umusaado oyo nande bagenda tokonya mumate ngo tokonya bara soboremi na Koroisi Industrial Park muinoga igo toko babori bagendere. I'm
very glad to be in Nyamira County today and very glad to His Excellency and the County Government of Nyamira for the good collaboration that we've had with them, not only on the area of land but even on the side of agriculture, just the productivity aspects that we also push All this is in the effort to make sure that we enhance the food and nutrition security in the entire Republic of Kenya. Now, on our effort to do the same, FAO we partnered with the European Union, through which we have some funding that we've been able to use in the area of land governance. As you know, land is one key factor of production. And so when we really iron out areas and issues around land, the tenure security, then we should be able to free up this important factor of production so that it is used where it should be. And that will enhance the issue of food and nutrition security. So through the land governance program, the digital land governance program, we are supporting all the 47 counties that already we put in the GIS laboratory. And one of the things that you see there is that you will be able to plan. That is the most important thing. With this lab, the county will be able to plan its issues of food and nutrition security, where production is taking place, where it's not taking place, the reasons behind the same, and then you put this in your plan for this year, for the following year, and the years to come.
Togoskabosio mwanchumo rigereria bona somocho Nairobi ritkoria rero nigo murai w'ekiama kia Wiper Patriotic Front Stephen Kalonzo Musyoka aigora bene igikaro kirache kwene kia amatuko atatu ari gusio igo kubarenta amo abasae abiga basubati abare neganga yo gwesonania n'uburai bwa gisiasa.
Okwana nigo arwisegeto gochia asabasae nabo igo abasubati bosibwo bocholi bole bosio kweneke bna ngurwanira bale ebirogo nabigo kwenyorera amabaga asogosoa eserikali.
My honest submission is let there be a blanket admission by this administration that they wrongfully detained, they wrongfully maimed, they destroyed people's property and blamed it on other wrong people, that there must be a blanket apology to the Kenyan nation. That would be something. It is not possible in a democracy to deny people the right to speak, the right to go to church. Even in churches, some of us are in church, they throw tear gas in the church. They beat you up.
From here, the youths are being encouraged so that they can be in a position to take the national ID, register as voters, because we want the youth to participate in the 2027 national elections and also vote the leaders of their choices. Out of this also, we've come out on ways of which we are also criticizing the government based on some of the activities which are being done and not skewed towards the youth. We want the youth out of this to be realized in terms of the representation and also gender balance as per our Constitution 2010. And also out of this, the leaders are also being urged that they implement the Constitution of Kenya that they were sworn the time they were assuming these offices. So going forward, from here, we'll be traveling in different parts of the country to offer the civic education to the youths so that they register as voters. Apart from registering as voters, also take part in the 2027 general election and also these by-elections which are yet to come. Because once they elect these leaders, they are going to be offered them representation, legislation, because they are also going to be part and parcel of the laws which are being made. You know that Wiper Party has been rebranded into Wiper Patriotic Front, whereby the party leaders, he has been advocating for the inclusivity of the youth in the decision-making of this government. Secondly, is one of the historical leaders that we've seen grow from a youth. He was elected as an MP when he was a youth.
Umanchi muri ya kurwa sorobotero ni gotogoso asensema ya kabere ye studio tusiomye chiduka keigo to kwirana ntobeto gusanga na ya mange aitwa kwariganirie ase omogoroba orero korende Clinton inyoranga litko lya rero etogosanga lingana RI'EKEMOYA astoko buli mwanchi muri ya atatebi nyencho ya ogoseboka no gosaboka ayo asebokire
Ninjiko era tokumanya amarieta iga chingenjo cha inchiri chinande meaning yae nererie bange ndoje baganda tokotoma chi ujumbe mwancho muri to skare to ikanse mayendo chiko soma tumanye nga mbivu na mbichi ngore ngonyorire ekene osebuka
no gosaboka aha
Yeye Nensoko TV Uboroso Bumugusi Ine nuganite betri uratumia segari yao ebetri uguchachirimo ugakweba ebetri ulegene chinga kichonsi ebenga kieliberera gosenga kiyobokendu tawe chandika Autobat Kenya Limited no tulegigiga asingichao Nigo tokorosia na koni chipetiri uratumia singa kichonsi chipetiri uratumie asigari enke ebasi no nyaneli kurukuru.
Tunapopitia pale kwa gari yako tutahakikisha tumeweka na tumekupimia charging system ya gari na pia tumekupimia battery na kila kitu itakuwa iko sawa.
Alright. Sasa na ikileta shida kabla hii warranty ishe itakuwa namna gani?
Ikikusumbua kabla ya warranty utakuja, alafu tukishaiangalia tutakupatia battery ya kushikilia tukiendelea kuangalia yako.
Talia yoka ne battery yechinguru.
Battery ya Autobat ni battery ambayo ni spill proof. Kumaanisha hiyo battery haimwagi acid ile ambayo iko ndani. Hiyo battery imetengenezwa na calcium. Kama vile tunajua calcium hainanga water loss. Kumaanisha sasa hiyo battery hakuna wakati ambayo inakauka hiyo acid.
Asamange twakirisimi namba 0739697855.
Kwa wale watu wa kujamstatiwa, wachana na battery kama hizi. Tumia Autobat. Battery ni Autobat.
Nuganete byome bitingu bitari kuboneka na kokota bwango ebyoma bikomenya asige kigetambe na gokobo kwali bya asemerimo yao company ya Davis and Shutleaf nero munyangongo asika kimyaka 52 na kyanda asobonia byoma ao byobye bwekerengo kyayuro aserigurira nigo bakonia chimota chipambu chia mache ekyogushalira ebimeri amache chigenerator chisolar panel amone chimashine chyogokenura amache boigo ngokunya bali bisima nkwagacha bali swimming pool na kugisibya nkoni bara malyogo yogokenura amache asumu cyobosongo Davis and Shutleaf nigo bagutuka samaga cha Stage Plaza ayaligirenetie negedesenya kenege chigali Asamange wakirisimi ase namba 0708623645 gose 0206966877 gose 0206968172 gose 0206968324.
Let me confirm that in the 2027 general election, DCP shall field a presidential candidate and other candidates in the 290 constituencies, 47 counties, and 1,450 wards across the Republic.
Ginko reporteri en Soko TV, erietariane Ishmael Mogere.
Mbia mono sana mulikito Ishmael Mogere asoko ira chinga kichao chabene gutwariganiria oroboti uru. Chinga kicho boigo ni gogashagwa abagago kwanira gusekomo cha serikali kubwatikana no kuburwa kuburendi asensemeli ya Mandera.
Ashagwa ni gobono hamusabiro muraibwense ya Kenya na boigo chuizara chirichi kone kya gotinya oburendi kone kya buna bamenyi bensemo ya Mandera na nemuno embebaga yonsiense ya Kenya kurendwira senchire bwendrete.
The silence from the commander-in-chief is all telling. Little can be left for guesswork. If William Ruto's recklessness and casualness as militia from Jubaland continue to wreak havoc on the Kenyan soil is anything to go by, he must be advised that the presence of foreign militias in Mandera County is a direct violation of international law and a breach of Kenya's diplomatic obligations. DCP party therefore demands with immediate effect, 1, that Jubaland militia and all foreign militia be flushed out of our country and Kenyan soil with immediate effect. 2, that the learning institutions in Mandera, closed due to invasion by the Jubaland militia and other terrorist groups, be reopened immediately and learners be provided with security without fail. The children of Kenya should not pay the price for cowardice or business interests of William Ruto and his allies. Number 3, that the KDF be allowed to discharge its full constitutional mandate without interference from corrupt individuals in the executive who seek to mortgage Kenya's sovereignty for personal gain. Mr. William Ruto, we are putting you on notice that Kenya's territorial integrity is sacred. Our sovereignty is not negotiable. If you cannot defend the people and the Republic of Kenya from foreign invasion, not forgetting your bloody track record over the last 3 years, you know the honorable thing to do. I urge the patriotic people of Kenya to stand firm and defend our constitution, safeguard our sovereignty, and protect our children's future before it is too late. The freedom we enjoy today as a country was never given to us. Our parents went into the forest and shed blood. The DCP party reiterates that our commitment to Kenyans is anchored in justice, fairness, democracy, and accountability. We shall remain steadfast in defending the rights of all citizens, working with partners under the United Opposition banner, and ensuring that the will of the people is respected, protected, and fulfilled.
Tuguskabosio mwancho murigereria muraiwensi ya Kenya Moske William Ruto nigoritukuria rero arigania abambassador abaya ase ense ya Kenya kurwa chinse abune nchira ya moyo kugendera ugotingia hubwa matubuya ne chinse chesko.
Abambassador bokorwa ase ense ya Algeria, Mexico na boigo Slovenia na ensemeri ya Hungary nigo bali eira yogoikirania obokoreri korengana n'ilichiko lya Kenya. Nanya nabo nigo bali ire yogochigutinya oborendi gokinia ebirengo byetisemi na boigo ase ensemo yobochenu.
He was born in Excellency, Mr. President. It's a great honor for me to present my credentials to you as the Ambassador of Ukraine. I bring to you the greetings of a nation that for almost 4 years has been resisting a full-scale invasion, a full-scale war. Our cities suffer missile attacks. Families are torn apart. Children forced to hide in shelters. Yet Ukraine stands. And we stand not only for our homes, but for our freedom, for dignity, for the rule of law. This war is not only about Ukraine. It's a test of the entire global order, a test whether the world will allow empires to rise again.
I would also like to relay to you his wish to reaffirm Hungary's commitment to strengthening the ties between our two countries and to seek new areas to deepen our cooperation, both in the bilateral and multilateral arenas. Hungary regards Kenya as a key partner in Africa. In the past 10 years, relations between our countries have grown into a strong and dynamic partnership based on mutual respect and shared aspirations. We have laid strong foundations for cooperation in the political field, education, agriculture, and trade. Bilateral interactions on the highest levels have become regular and constructive since 2016, including the milestone visit of former President János Áder to Kenya in 2022.
I, William Samoei Ruto, President of the Republic of Kenya, by dint of Article 132(4)(b) of the Constitution of Kenya, do accept your letters of credence and authorize you to pursue the interests of your country within Kenya's territory by fostering the bonds of friendship and promoting to the widest possible sense, within the law, the mutual aspirations of the peoples of our two nations.
Tuguskabosio mwancho murigeria bono toso ase sector yobochanu mugavana bwe county ya Tharaka Nithi oiboigo rumunya Kerubo bwe committee kurigeria magana yobochanu ase kiombekeri kya bagavana nigaesokirie na komochia igatia abanyagitari abo bakundireria abananchi abakuriyo bubweni ase kinyagitari kya serikali ase bakubatoma ase chinyagitari cy'abantu nyane bune njire moyo kubeka emiroberio yo kubeka obukurumi ase kyombekeri yo kubwato kobokonye bobwenia kuru ase serikali yasha
ngokwana kuru ase county yo nigaruge kure getindi gocha ase abanyagitari abatari goikerania obokoreri bwabo nabo igokwane kemna nigo barachikwimukirirwa egetambukiro kelichiko nanya nabo nigane kemna serikali ya Kenya nigo yairiri bagalia bene ase kwigika enibo ase sector yobochenu anene ase chinyagitari cha serikali kurwa obokoreri gocha ase abananchi.
It has come to our notice that of late, in the last few months, our people in Tharaka-Nithi, I'm talking about patients, have been going through hardship that is instigated by our mismanagement of HR issues. That personnel who are supposed to take care of our patients, and I'm talking about personnel from all levels. Some of them, not all of them. We have some very good ones, and we have some who are participating in this very unprofessional, very uncouth behavior and treatment to our patients. We have in all the cadres, including nurses, clinical officers, MOs, or what we call medical officers, and the ones we call specialists. Those who are using our hospital as a platform to poach patients to their private clinics. These patients come to our hospitals because they believe in the public hospitals because of the investment governments have put. Patients are still leaving a hospital and going to clinics and outfits that are behind shops, especially in Chuka Town and Marimanti and a few parts of Mara constituency. And we are saying this behavior must stop. We are putting measures in place, and I want a system put in place so that our people know where to complain. If a doctor refers you to their clinic and you go and find out that the same doctor was seeing you here, sent you there, within confidentiality, you need to report that doctor. Today, telling them, we are putting them on notice. You cannot use our hospitals as a platform for you to poach patients for your own economic selfish gains at the expense of our people who come to the public hospital because they believe in the public hospital.
Mwancho murigeria sokoria gukorera nigo bono hoyo kuria Kerubo Kivu Governor se county ya Nairobi Ben Gigi anyara kubakago esokia na komochia okuboro kuborendi asomocho monene o Nairobi asate ebire bikore bya bwangoga byaene kiwe nigo serikali ya county ya Nairobi ebwente kwimuke getambukiro gyo koene kyabone bikore byo bichiko kyana
okwa nane getaseni gensoko nigo amochire serikali ya county ya Nairobi asogotatinya obolendi na koene kiuna magayo kurobekana gokorekana imeyo ense ya Kenya nigo ebibage bingi byabete bigosoa asomochi o Nairobi kolende niga bolire serikali yo kwimukia egetambukiro na koene kiuna ngutinya bale obolendi asechinsemo linde koene kiuna obolendi na boigo gose oboncheria ngokorekana bole boikirano.
Swala hili la usalama ni gavana mwenyewe ambayo ameweza kuileta. Unakuta ya kwamba siku ile kulikuwa na maandamano ya Gen Z Juni 25. Yeye ndio alileta wale goons hapa Nairobi na akawapea ile kipaumbele ya kuenda kuibia watu, kuvunja biashara za wengine na kuleta issues za usalama hapa Nairobi. Unakuta ya kwamba vile aliwapa nguvu badala ya kuwapa kazi pale katika county, aendelee kuongeza mambo ya ajira ya vijana hapa mjini Nairobi, akaleta wale goons ambao wengine ni wahalifu, wakakuja wakaibia watu masimu, wakavunja duka za wenyewe badala ya kuongeza uchumi ama kuimarisha uchumi hapa Nairobi. akaweza kuleta wale ambao wameleta uhalifu. Unakuta ya kwamba usalama si ati haikukua hapa Nairobi, lakini kuna ongezeko la zile kesi za usalama. Nasema ya kwamba county government na national government iweze kuungana kushika hao wahalifu, kwa kuwa hapa Nairobi kuna polisi wengi, wengine wanavaa plain clothes, wengine wako na uniform na wanatembea hapa Nairobi kila wakati unawakuta, lakini kukiwa na uhalifu unakuta ya kwamba polisi na county government wameshindwa kutatua kesi hii ya usalama hapa Nairobi. Katika katiba yetu ya Kenya unakuta ya kwamba kipengele ile cha 29 kila mwananchi anapata nafasi ya kupewa usalama na serikali yetu ya Kenya. Lakini issue hii ya usalama inaendelea kuzorota hapa Nairobi, na kila Mkenya anapaswa kukuwa protected katika ile katiba. Kuta ya kwamba kulingana na mswada wa fedha ambao ulitokea pale mwaka huu na mwaka uliopita, sisi ambao ni vijana wa vizazi kipya tuliweza kuchipuka na tumesema ya kwamba hatufanyi kazi na serikali kwa sababu serikali hii haiangalii mwananchi wa kawaida. Tunakuta mambo ya SHA, hakuna healthcare mzuri, ama watu wakienda hospitalini hawana dawa, hawapati matibabu, tunapata shule hakuna pesa. So tunasema ya kwamba hatuwezi fanya kazi na serikali hii. So unakuta ya kwamba vijana wako na mawazo mapya, ni kizazi kipya, tuko na vision na tuko na ile innovation. Tunaweza hata create employment among ourselves. Kuna ministry kama ya creative arts. Unakuta Kenya imetambulika ulimwengu mzima katika mambo kama ya innovation ama kukuja na mambo na teknolojia mpya kama ile ya M-Pesa. Kuna vitu mingi sana ambavyo vijana wameweza kufanya innovation, na kulingana na ile statistics tunaweza kuona ya kwamba tukipatia vijana serikali hii tutaweza kuleta mabadiliko mengi zaidi kuliko ile tunaona katika nchi yetu ya Kenya.
Mwancho murigeria no ikara guno tuiko mweri asensemo ya kabere ya mayando gusaba gwitungo twanyara ko batoko gosemia na bigonto gendrate ko gosemia gotuskare twetero mutumo komo keigo ase studio ya kabere tukorana tukumanyaria na kiwa sebi tv ya Chigosoria singancho murikito Daniel Mwaga warikandiria nsemeria ya Chigosoria na boigo ntuiva ntubate nsemo yeringana RI'EKEMOYA sobot kubwara tukukuboria amari etabere ugoseboka na boigo ugosaboka gendra gutuma chujumbe chago ase mitandao turoche chujumbe ne chinyinge togoso ase nsemeyo tochigo chisoma tuskare.
Eye Nensoko TV uboroso bw'umugusi
nogani tisemi chebikoro elikogenda nukugani gwechiro riatirimba Technical and Vocation College no turaiga asingenje yao nigo tukurwa chikosi cha hairdressing, mechanics, tailoring, welding and fabrication egatio chinde abaruki wabaito nkonyora baro bakonyi wa masomo wetere njira ya help nechikosi chito nigo chiwire uchasonde bwensi nigo tugutuka asama tabekania geteri ensemo ya Kesu Kisi